This is the upper control arm, also sometimes known as the wishbone. And what we're going to do is once again take this collar and we're going to put this onto here because that's going to protect and not push against the rubber inside of there. So we'll use this right here, slide this into here of our piece, put this up against here. And once again, we did apply a little bit of grease to help us out there. And once again, you just want to go slow at first and make sure you're straight. Do a little examination, use your eyeballs. How we look in there?
Loosen up a little bit.
Loosen it up.
Okay, right there.
There, right there. So just kind of, it's going to find its home. It's going to want to go straight.
If you give it a chance, it will try to find center on its own. So don't fight it. If it doesn't want to go, then check to make sure it's aligned properly.
And another really important thing that I want to include is since these were powder coated, and you might have a rusty set or a set that you might have cleaned up and painted yourself, what you want to do is inside of here, really make sure and clean any powder coat, paint, rust, grease out of there because all it's going to do is help you out. You can go in there with a little wire brush, a little emery cloth, make that nice and clean, and you're not going to compromise the inside of it. It's just going to make your life putting this together easier. Now what we want to do, when we sucked it right up into there.
And be mindful that there is it doesn't bottom out fully, there is a slight gap.
And that way that's going to allow you to put the other one and have them centered in there. Then what you want to do is take your tool, release it, and we're going to turn it 180 degrees.
And after they're pressed in, you can always use your bracket to see that they're in all the way and that you have just the right clearance between the center of the bushing and the bracket.